5 learnings from Ramayana. Number 1. Importance of duty and responsibility. Children learn the importance of keeping promises and fulfilling their responsibilities even when it is difficult. Number 2. Devotion and loyalty. The value of being loyal and devoted to loved ones and friends is emphasized, teaching children the significance of faithfulness and service. Number 3. Courage and perseverance. Children can understand the importance of being brave and persevering through tough times without giving in for fear or despair. Number 4. The power of good over evil. This instills in children the belief that righteousness and moral integrity ultimately prevail, encouraging them to choose good over bad in their actions. Number 5. Respect for elders and mentors. Children learn the importance of respecting their elders, listening to their guidance and valuing their wisdom. These lessons from the Ramayana not only provide moral guidance but also help in the overall development of child's character, instilling values that can guide them throughout their lives. Happy parenting.